Year 6, welcome back. We're going to focus on the 8 times table today. Now, I know we've been focusing on our multiplications quite a bit. That's because by the end of year 6, you need to be knowing all of them off by heart. Remember, off by heart means bang, bang, bang. Okay, it doesn't mean I need to have a think for 5 seconds. So we're really going to focus on the 8s today. So the first thing I want you to do is write out the 8 times table from 1 multiplied by 8 all the way down to 10 multiplied by 8, and then we'll check it. Okay, so pause now, press play when you're ready to continue. All right, great stuff. So there's your 8s. Okay, so all the answers are even numbers. So if you've got an odd number in there somewhere, it must be wrong. So have a little look at those. Next thing I want you to do, once you're comfortable all your answers are right, I want you to write out the answers in a line. Okay, so from 8 all the way to 80. So 8, 16, 20, yep, and on to 80. So again, pause now, press play when you are ready to continue. Okay, cool. So now I've got 1 to 10 here, my numbers. Okay, so I might shout out the answer. Say I shout out 80. You would say, what is 10 times 8? And then I would get rid of the 10. Okay, so the other way of doing it is I might ask you, what is 10 times 8? And you would say 80, and then I would still rub it out. Okay, so first one would be, the answer is 24. What's the question? Be 3 times 8. Try not to look at your times table. If you're going to look at anything, just look at the numbers in the line going across. Okay, so you've got to identify which of them is the right answer. Okay, the answer is 80. What's the question? 10 times 8. What is 4 times 8? 32. The answer is 16. What's the question? That'll be 2 times 8. What's 1 times 8? 8. The answer is 72. What's the question? Could be 9 multiplied by 8. The answer is 40. What's the question? 5 times 8. What is 6 times 8? The answer is 48. Okay, the answer is 64. What's the question? 8 times 8. Remember, I ate and I ate. And I was sick on the floor, 64. And you do the last one. What is 7 multiplied by 8? The answer is 56. So well done for doing that. What you need to do now is go into your lessons and find lesson 18. Okay, see you in a bit.